Today we are going to learn double crochet. Crochet thread through stitches, wire pulled out. So far, we feel he looks like a half double crochet. Then his difference is crochet winding through the first 2 coils on the crochet. Not like a half double crochet. Now there are 2 coils on the crochet. We wound the wire again through these 2 coils. So a double crochet is crocheted. Let's practice again. Crochet the second double crochet in the next stitch. Through this stitch, wires pulled out. Winding passes through the first 2 coils. There are also 2 coils on the crochet. Here we go again. Then the crochet thread is wounded through the first 2 threads. Go through this coil. Wires pulled out. There are 3 coils on the crochet. Crochet winding through the first 2. When there are 2 left, we wound it again, all at once. That's it. Let's continue with a double crochet. Thank you for following this tutorial. Happy crocheting and enjoy your creation!